Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that is super close to my heart and absolutely crucial for our little ones, phonics and reading. If you've ever wondered how to give your child the best possible start on their reading journey, you're in the right place. We're going to break down what phonics is, why it's so powerful, and how you can make learning to read a fun and magical experience right at home. So, what exactly is phonics? Simply put, it's the relationship between letters and sounds. It is about teaching kids to decode words by understanding that the letter C makes a K sound, A makes an A sound, and T makes a T sound. When you put them together, Ka-A-Ta blends into the word cat. It's like giving them a secret code to unlock the entire English language. This is different from just memorizing whole words, which can be really overwhelming. Phonics gives kids a system, a tool they can use to tackle new and unfamiliar words with confidence. Think about it like building with Legos. Memorizing whole words is like being handed a pre-built model and being told, "This is a car." But phonics is like being given all the individual bricks and learning how each one connects. Suddenly, you're not just limited to building that one car. You can build a house, a spaceship, a castle, anything you can imagine. That's the power of phonics. It empowers children to become independent readers, not just word recognizers. They learn to see patterns in language, which builds a strong foundation for spelling and writing later on. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually do this at home without turning it into a boring lesson? The key is to make it playful. You can start with simple sound games. On a walk, you can say, "I spy with my little eye," something that starts with the sound ba, bowl. Or you can use magnetic letters on the fridge to build simple three-letter words together. P-I-T, pig, S-U-N, sun. Celebrate every little success. High fives. Happy dances make it a party. Another fantastic way to practice is through reading aloud. When you read books together, you're not just sharing a story. You're modeling what fluent reading sounds like. You can point to the words as you read them, helping your child connect the spoken word with the written word. Choose books with rhymes and repetitive text. These are brilliant for helping kids hear the different sounds in words. Dr. Seuss books are classics for a reason. They're fun, silly, and packed with phonetic patterns. As your child gets more comfortable, you can pause and let them fill in a rhyming word or sound out a simple word on their own. And remember, every child learns at their own pace. The goal isn't to race to the finish line. It's to cultivate a lifelong love of reading. Keep it light, keep it positive, and focus on connection. Reading together is a special bonding time. It's about snuggling up on the couch and exploring new worlds together. When a child associates reading with warmth, fun, and love, they'll be motivated to continue on their own. So, to recap, start with sounds, play fun games, read aloud every single day, and most importantly, be patient and encouraging. You are your child's first and most important teacher, and you have the power to make their reading journey an incredible adventure. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on helping your little ones thrive. What are your favorite ways to practice phonics at home? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.